Earning $10,000 net profit in 3 days? It's not fantasy, it's a fact. In this electrifying video, I'm pulling back the curtain on a jaw-dropping experience that allowed me to get 10 grand in net profit. Get ready to be amazed, motivated and ready to seize similar lucrative chances. I'm going to reveal the exact steps of what I have done and how you can do it too. If you are new on this channel, my name is Cecco and I help aspiring entrepreneurs create a profitable online business, selling their expertise or someone else's knowledge. If you're wondering what I sold for $10,000, I can say it is something that you would not expect. In other words, I sold a completely customized private area to host unlimited online courses almost for free, plus a simple sales funnel of 5 pages. Let me picture the right scenario to let you understand 2 aspects. And please, don't skip this part, it's crucial. Aspect number 1. Why this service is extremely valuable and money saving from the client side. Aspect number 2. How you can copy and paste this business model and make it a lucrative side hustle. First of all, who is the ideal client willing to invest $10,000 to buy a customized reserved area to host their online courses? I'm referring to professionals, experts or people that sell their expertise online. This market is incredibly prosperous and its numbers are growing year by year. E-learning market is projected to hit $848.12 billion at a compound annual growth rate of 17.54% by 2030. Report by Facts and Factors. A report from Global Market Insights said that e-learning is increasingly becoming popular in the growing educational markets, including China and India. According to the India Brand Equity Foundation, the country's higher educational segment is expected to reach $35.03 billion by 2025. In Latin America, IP traffic was projected to grow threefold with a compound annual growth rate of 21%. This market is incredibly profitable, and let me tell you, to sell online courses, you need a private area to host them. And if you know the market, you are probably aware there are different private platforms available that allow you to host online courses. I'm not referring to Udemy and Coursera. For sure, they are important learning platforms, but if you are serious about selling online courses and services, I don't recommend hosting your online course on them. Considering the most advanced learning platforms such as ClickFunnels and Kajabi, they have some significant problems. Let me explain what I mean. First of all, their private area is not customizable based on the client's needs. Listen, I've been selling online courses since 2009, and I perfectly know this is a problem. I have tested 90% of the online platforms available to the market, so I'm speaking because of my experience. Secondly, the best ones ask you to pay an annual fee of even $4,000 per year, every single year. So in 5 years, you have invested $20,000. In 10 years, $40,000. And if you don't renew, you lose everything. Thirdly, sometimes one platform is not enough. For example, many people I know use ClickFunnels to create sales funnels. I mean, web pages to convert a prospect into a paid client. Plus, they use Kajabi platform to deliver the content. In this case, the investment required doubles. What the fuck? This is where you and I come into place. If you let your clients save thousands of dollars yearly, they are willing to pay a one-time fee for your service. Let me show you what I did, the software I used, and how you can replicate the same business idea once you have this skill. Perfect. You're watching the homepage of a software called WordPress, that is the most used software to create blogs. And in this specific case, to create funnels and private areas, I have installed on WordPress another software that is called OptimizePress. In a nutshell, it gives you access to new different areas of WordPress. For example, we have the funnels section in which you can create some funnels in order to sell your product or service. Then we have the checkout section section in which you can create some checkouts to collect payments. And then we have the mentor section in which you can create your private areas. But let me show you what I created for the client, for Anna specifically. I have the login page. In this specific case, since I'm already logged in, you're watching this screen. But if you're not logged in, this is the module that will appear in order for you to put your email and password and get access to the courses you bought. Then we have the library page, in which Anna can share all the courses that she has created for her clients, their library. Then we have, for example, the homepage course. This is a course that she released months ago, APC Learning Tutor, and we have this homepage completely customized. But later on you will find different modules. I'm just showing you the basics of each pages. Then we have the course module. We can have different lessons. And then we have the lesson page. In this specific page, I decided to put a video, then a button for the previous or complete lesson, then lesson overview, and other things completely customized. And I want to let you know that this template doesn't exist on OptimizePress templates available when you buy the software. Indeed, I want to show you another important thing. Let's move to the WordPress area again. In this specific case, I'm in the mentor section, courses, and if I want to create a new course, I click on the button Create New Course, and then you can see that there are tons of templates you can use for the course on page or blank templates and even my templates. In this specific case, since this is not a complete tutorial on how to use OptimizePress, but I want to focus your attention on my templates. If I click on this button and I scroll down this page, you can see Max Cecco templates, Max library template, login page, course on page, course module, and lesson course. In this case, I have previously created all these pages in my account, in my WordPress installation, and then I copy and paste these templates, I import these templates in the client's area. How did I do that? Simply, you can save some templates, your private area, even your funnels, and every single page you create thanks to OptimizePress in the cloud. Indeed, if I go to the OptimizePress dashboard, I have my templates, you can see your templates, my templates, and even my funnels. In a nutshell, I shared my templates with my clients. So I didn't create this private area from scratch, but I use one of my customized templates that I have created for myself, and I transfer these templates to my client's cloud. Then the client can download these templates, modify them, and do whatever they want. Let's go back to the WordPress installation. For instance, we are in the mentor section, create new course. In this specific case, I imported this corso modello in Italian language. It means basic template of an online course. And in this specific case, if I click on edit, I've created 3 pages: course on page, course module, and lesson of the course, as I showed you seconds ago, okay? Then there is an amazing button that you can use to copy and paste everything. So you can customize every single of these pages. Once you have customized the pages, you can press this button, this one. Copy. Practically, you can copy the module course, you can copy every lesson, and you have just to change the content, but the template is always the same. What I have done for the client, I created all this structure. Let me show you. Let me click on APC Learning Tutor, Edit, and I created for her all these structure. This is a course with probably 33 modules, 33 lessons, 4 modules, some bonuses, exercises, and so on. But I started from those pages that I showed you seconds ago, and I simply changed the content of each lesson. This is the final result. Enjoy! we are in the funnel section of OptimizePress, and in this section I have imported 5 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first one has been created by the client. Let me show you these 5 pages, completely customized. The first one is a checkout in order to collect payments in case of 3 monthly installments. Indeed, I make available the credit card and PayPal methods. Then we have another checkout that is completely customized for the one-time payment. In this case, the client can decide to pay with credit card or PayPal, or even with bank transfer and teacher card. That is a special method used by this client. And in this case, the checkout changes based on the payment method chosen by the client. For example, if I click on credit card PayPal, I will be able to put the credit card data and or PayPal. And if I click on bank transfer, I have to fill out a form in order to receive the details for a bank transfer or the teacher card. If I pay, for example, with credit card or PayPal, the following page is this one. Your payment has been successful. So fill out the form to receive the invoice and access the course. Thank you. Once they fill out this form, they will be redirected to the confirmation page. Billing data sent correctly. And the funnel is finished. Instead, if they decide to get the bank transfer or teacher card, once they fill out the form, this page will appear. Transfer details and teacher card, so they receive all the data in order to make the payment offline. And I want to tell you last one thing. For this specific service, I charge $10,000 even because I offered to the client a coaching service. It means that I teach her everything she needed to know in order to be able to use this software, in order to be able to copy and paste and change everything on every single page. And as you can evince, this coaching increased the value of this service. With that being said, I have 2 last important things to share with you. If you want to learn this skill and other high-paid skills from scratch, start your own business or become a high-paid freelancer and live the life you deserve, I have created a special program called Freedom Business Blueprint. In the description below, you will find a link that gives you the chance to fill out an application. Indeed, you can buy this program with a Buy Now button, but I want to be sure you are a good fit for this program, and only 50 seats are available. Secondly, I highly recommend watching this masterclass I published on my YouTube channel. Watch these 56 minutes to be a millionaire in 12 months. In this masterclass, I condensed my 15-year experience and knowledge selling online information. I share with you the best business vehicle that allows you to become a millionaire in this new economy. So, watch this video now.